Kia ora everyone, my name is Latrell, and in this video, I'll be sharing with you my gaming setup. Thanks for tuning in, and let's get into it. Before we get started, I just want to say that I'm not a hardcore gamer. I only really started getting into gaming during the lockdown days at the peak of the pandemic. My mates and I played a lot of Left 4 Dead 2 and World War Z. There was not much to do at the time, so gaming was our escape from what was happening in the world and have fun. For my gaming setup, I have a Windows gaming laptop and the PlayStation 5. The laptop that I'm using is the Asus ROG Strix G15. It has 16 gigs of RAM and uses the AMD Ryzen 5 processor. This is my first gaming laptop and it's been great so far. This is connected to the 34-inch LG ultrawide monitor. Gaming on an ultrawide monitor has been so much fun, as it really makes you feel like you're in the game. This monitor also allows USB-C connectivity that provides both power and display. This is great as I can technically just connect one cable to my laptop and game away. However, the power that it provides is not powerful enough and it makes me lag when gaming. Therefore, I still end up using my laptop charger to get that full gaming experience. As for my peripherals, my laptop is paired with the Logitech G502 wireless mouse and the Logitech MX keys for Mac. Yes, I know it's not a gaming keyboard, but I find that it still gets the job done for me. Plus, it connects wirelessly to my laptop via Bluetooth, so I still get that minimal and clean vibes when gaming. I do have a gaming keyboard, but I usually just leave this in the office. On the other hand, the mouse that I'm using is intended to use for gaming. I really like this mouse as it is very comfortable to use and I really enjoy killing zombies in it. It also connects wirelessly to my laptop via this little USB receiver, so that works for me as it avoids cable on the desk. When I play with my mates, we usually communicate on Discord. I use my Blue Yeti mic as my microphone, and I use my WH-1000 XM3s for my headphones. The mic is connected to my monitor via USB-A, and the monitor then connects my laptop via USB-C. I really like this as it means I don't have to connect it directly to my laptop. My headphones are nice and easy as this connects wirelessly via Bluetooth to my laptop. I really like the wireless connectivity as I can easily go out of the room if needed and don't have to worry about tripping on wires. When gaming on my laptop, I usually like being connected via an Ethernet cable. I just find that it performs better that way. These are games that I have, but I usually just play Left 4 Dead or World War Z. Moving on to the other side of the room is my console setup. The console that I'm using is the PS5 Standard Edition. It comes with two controllers, black and white. This is connected on the 55-inch TCL 4K monitor. I really enjoy the quality that this monitor gives at its price. 55-inch is also more than enough for me to enjoy playing games. My PS5 is connected on the Wi-Fi. As much as I would like for it to connect wired, it's just too much work for me to get it done. These are all the games that I have on my PS5, but I mostly play 2K. Lately, I have been using my PS5 a lot more than my Windows laptop. I just find that gaming on it is so much more easier. I usually just lay on my bed and game away. I use gaming as a way for me to relax or wind down after a stressful day, so laying on my bed and playing for me is the way to go. That brings us to the end of the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you on the next one. Kakite!